block elements. Elements in which valency or outermost electron enters in the s orbital are called s block elements. This block lies in the extreme left of the periodic table, as s orbital can accommodate a maximum number of 2 electrons. So only 2 blocks, while group 1 is known as alkali metal, group 2 are known as alkaline earth metal, are included in this block. The last member of each group, that is francium, in case of group 1 is radium, and in case of group 2, francium in case of group 1 and radium in case of group 2, being radioactive in nature. So remaining other metals are alkali metal and earth metal. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. What is the first group element order? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group element, that is alkaline earth metal. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So in this francium and radium shows radioactive in nature. When you see these elements, they are strong alkali metal. So they form hydroxides on reaction with water, which are strongly alkaline in nature. The alkali metal occur in nature only in the form of their compounds. They never found in free state. They are highly reactive. Sodium and potassium are the 7th and 8th most abundant elements in the crust, earth crust, while other elements, that is lithium, rubidium, cesium, are much less abundant. Francium, the longest lived isotope with half-life of 21 minutes, occurs only in traces. The less electropositive alkali metals like lithium exist in the form of their silicates. Whereas the more electropositive elements are found in the form of their chlorides. Example, important ores of lithium, spodumene. Spodumene is the important ore of lithium. It is lithium aluminum silicate, LiAlSiO3 twice. So it is present with their ores. If you see the characteristics of properties of S block element, they are metallic character, low electronegativity, it form basic oxides and hydroxides, it form ionic bond with fixed oxidation state, it shows characteristics flame color in the flame test, it has the weak tendency to form complex ions. Metallic character. Alkali metals are the most electropositive element in the periodic table, and their metallic character increases as moving down the group, as the tendency to lose the valency electron increases. These are the metals, and thus they are good conductors of heat and electricity. They exhibit metallic cluster due to the oscillation of free electrons. They are good conductors of electricity because they tendency to lose electron easily. They exhibit metallic luster due to the oscillation of free electrons. So it form high tendency to lose electron to form positive ion. Metallic character increases down the group. So when you see this order, metallic character increases down the group. So lithium is having less metallic character than sodium, than potassium, than rubidium, than cesium. So cesium is having more metallic character. Electronegativity. When you see this low nuclear attraction for outer electrons, so it is highly electropositive, so small electronegative. Being a metal, it shows highly electropositive and it shows very less electronegative. Due to the presence of only one electron in the valence shell, they are paramagnetic, then exhibit plus one oxidation state. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they are paramagnetic and they exhibit only plus one oxidation state. They readily form monovalent M plus ion by losing this electron. They never exist in free state in nature. So the alkali metal cations are Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus and Cesium plus are diamagnetic. So the alkali metal cations are diamagnetic. The alkali elements are paramagnetic because of the absence of unpaired electrons. All these cations have stable S2p6 noble gas configuration. So it forms basic oxides and hydroxides. Most of the compounds of alkali metals are ionic in nature. General characteristics of this form oxides and hydroxides. So they are least electropositive metal. That is lithium on being in excess of air produces oxide lithium oxide La2O and some peroxide La2O2. Less electropositive metal like sodium forms peroxide Na2O2 with some superoxide NaO2, whereas more electropositive metal like potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxide MO2. So it forms oxides, peroxides and superoxide. However, under appropriate condition, pure compounds oxides may be formed. So when these oxides dissolve in water to give hydroxides, which are white crystalline solids. So oxides dissolve in water to form hydroxides. So when you see this hydroxide, the stability of oxides are more stable for lithium. This is because the size of the oxide ion is small. So lithium oxide is more stable. So it is stabilized by small cation like lithium ion through the lattice energy effect. Further, the stability of peroxide O2 2 minus or superoxide O2 minus increases as the size of the metal ion increases. This is due to the stabilization of large peroxide and superoxide ion by larger cation through lattice energy effect. So this is due to the stabilization of large peroxide and superoxide ion by larger cation through lattice energy effect because of the lithium oxide is having more stable. When you see this color and magnetic character of oxide, in pure form oxides and peroxides are generally colorless, but superoxides are generally yellow or orange in color. This color is due to the presence of unpaired electrons. Basicity of oxides. So these oxides are basic in nature. Their basicity increases on moving down the group due to the increase in metallic character. So the basicity of these oxides increases moving down the group due to increase in metallic character. So when you see this, lithium oxides have less basicity than cesium oxide because of increasing metallic character. Oxidizing nature of oxide. The peroxides and superoxides, because of their stability to react with water to form hydrogen peroxide and oxygen, act as a strong oxidizing agent. Sodium peroxide is widely used as an oxidizing agent in inorganic chemistry. Basicity of hydroxide. All alkali metal hydroxides are basic in nature because of the presence of very weak MOH bond. Since moving down the group, the size of the alkali metal increases and the ionization enthalpy decreases. As a result, the strength of metal oxygen bond became weak. Therefore, basic strength of the hydroxide increases accordingly. The order of basic character of the hydroxides are lithium hydroxide is less basicity, then sodium hydroxide, then potassium hydroxide, then rubidium hydroxide, then cesium hydroxide. Cesium hydroxide having more basicity than lithium hydroxide. So down the group, the hydroxide basicity increases. Solubility and stability of hydroxides. Hydroxide dissolve freely in water with evolution of much heat on account of intense hydration. So the solubility increases on down the group. The solubility increases down the group. Further, all are thermally stable except lithium hydroxide, which on heating dissociate to give lithium oxide. So remaining other hydroxides are thermally stable except lithium hydroxide. Potassium oxide find application in space capsules, submarines and breathing mask because produces oxygen and removes carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So potassium oxide. It used as a space capsule and submarine and breathing mask. So oxide, peroxide, superoxide. Reaction with water. Oxide plus what H2O gives 2OH. Peroxide O2 minus O2 2 minus plus 2H2O gives H2O2. Superoxide 2O2 minus plus 2H2O gives 2OH minus H2O2. That is superoxide. So 2 oxygen will be there with the 2 minus ion. Then it is known as peroxide ion. 2 oxygen with 1 ion, then it is known as superoxide. Lithium does not form peroxide or superoxide. So hydroxides are group 1 hydroxides are soluble and basic strength increases. So lithium is having less basic strength, cesium is having more basic strength. Group 2 hydroxide stability increases and form amphoteric to basic strength increases. So solubility increases. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So barium has more solubility than strontium. So the solubility increases from amphoteric to basic. So basic strength increases. Predominantly ionic with fixed oxidation state. Group 1, it is more electropositive metal. It has low first ionization energy and extremely high second ionization energy and form predominantly ionic compound with nonmetals by losing one electron. So fixed oxidation state is +1. So it has low first ionization energy, extremely high second ionization energy. So in second group elements are electropositive metal. First group elements are more electropositive. Second group elements are electropositive. It has low first and second ionization energy but very high third ionization energy. Have a fixed oxidation state +2. Beryllium and magnesium compound possess some degree of covalent character. So characteristics of flame color. When you burn it, alkali metals and their salts gives characteristic color to the oxidizing flame as their loosely bound valence electron gets excited to the higher energy level by the heat energy of flame. So their loosely bound valence electron get excited to the higher energy level by the heat energy flame. So when it comes to its original state, it emits radiation in the visible region which gives characteristic color up to the flame. So when you see this color lambda by nanometer, it is give the unit in lambda by nanometer. Lithium give crimson red color, sodium will give yellow color, potassium will give violet color, rubidium will give red violet color, cesium will give blue color. Barium will give apple green color.